Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I have iPhone 14 Plus for the battery replacement. So you can see the touch is properly working. Let's see the battery percentage first. The battery health, just go to the battery health, says is 84. But customer saying is keep dying. On the corner, I think there is a chip, but I'll see later because I don't need to take out the screen. So just shut down first. And there is a deep scratch on the back glass. So for the battery replacement, we need to replace the back glass. For this, I'm just putting the rubbing alcohol to dissolve the adhesive tape or inside the glue underneath that glass. So just applying after this, I need the sharp edging sharp blade to just put off one of the side to pull the glass up. Be careful, this is a very this is a glass can break easily. So just put this plastic, move around the corners. So on all edges you'll see the all edges you'll find the glue to keep doing. This is a corner, just move around a little bit, and I think this is not giving me a little hard time, so just put this plier. I'm just trying to do here, or I can do there too. Yeah, so now I'm just doing little deep detaching from the removing the glue and detaching from the body. So just take out that plastic thing, and I'm just using this metal plier. So look at this, those are hinges, just detaching from the body, from the corners. Be careful because the edges normally are more easy breakable. So after detaching, you see this is a one screw and there are a couple of more screw. So after removing the screw, this is a metal plate taking out. This is a metal plate of the back glass, and this is a metal plate of the battery attachment actually. So the first, let's remove just here's the battery, but first let's remove this back glass which contain the wireless charger, flashlight, and etc. It's very congested, to use this and just remove it. So I'm successfully removing these things, and now it's time for the removing the battery. So just detach the battery first. So I and again I'm applying, this is rubbing alcohol, so there is a glue underneath that, and let's see the one is there and the other is there. After putting the glue, so I have removed the one adhesive tape which is underneath this. So I'm just now pulling up a little bit, so be careful with that. Don't use the sharp edges metal thing. It's recommended to use non-metallic stuff, but I have this thing. This is a very good tool for the battery. You see it has no edges. So just put the plastic, and then when you lift up a little bit, you'll see there were two big things. I already removed one, and this is the other one. So just take out the battery. You'll see it has an adhesive tape here. Just remove it. Perfect. So just after removing this battery, so make sure just dry up all rubbing alcohol before installing the different battery. So this is a new battery I got with the this is a premium battery, although it's not the original. This is aftermarket. So remove this plug first and remove from the back side. So it's now normally I just connect the battery first, so then you can it will easily position itself. See, so after connecting the battery, let's put this metal plate back before installing the back glass metal plate. So I just installed it. So this is connecting, I'm connecting these things, and here's the metal plate. So I just need just one screw, and oh, it's coming out. So after this, just put this screw back. So here we go. So the both metal plate are done. So now it's time to turn on the phone. So before closing the back glass, just make sure the battery is properly installed, is working properly. So then you can just done your job. So let's go into the settings in the battery. Right there, screen is very scratchy. You see the maximum capacity is now 100%. So now it's time, I think I should just put back. Yes, see, just press a little bit, it will go itself. And here's the time for the back screws. That's how easy the battery replacement. Sometimes the battery needs update to to remove the message. So just do your software update and do it. If you like that video, thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you want me to repair any kind of phone, just drop in the comment. I will repair for you. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.